Life, this is part of the mission. This is a man named Kali. Went into an accident. Broke up many bones in her body. Surgery. And this man needs support. You know? So, I'm gonna have to go support him so he can get him painkillers. And thing. Goat. Yes, a goat. What go on with you? Eh? Yes, sir? I'm gonna eyeball me, you know. Yeah, mister. Take care of yourself. Fairfield Mountain. This is the house where the brothers gather and they help out the elder who was in the accident. This is the man that helps to prevent the crime in the neighborhood. He keeps it down. So we have to support him.
Some of them forget the size, they put the size on something that one figure there.
Yeah.
The two of them. Yeah man. Someone are really brave.
Alright, thanks Trevi. Let's talk about this. So this man has been in an accident. How many surgeries he did?
36.
36 surgeries, right? And the building fell on him. And so tell me, so what's hurting?
Right down here way. So when the building drop on me mash up here, that's why this foot up here cannot move. I just this the left one move. But this one it can move from here, so this one crush.
This one did crush.
Yes, this right here crush. So now like down here, when the building drop on me, going 2 years after, and a rat bite me on this foot. And and that one right down here. And the disease now they we don't catch this one.
Do you have to pay to go to the hospital every time you go?
No, like more than for short a taxi and stuff.
You pay
But
the
like-
taxes. Do you pay at the hospital?
No, like when we go to the hospital for all these dressing, you know, then give me something for buy at the pharmacy. So like one dressing here now. So when I go on Monday, I have to go buy some dressing for carry. 1,500 for one for them say 14 by 14 for one night. And I have to go buy some for carry.
So you need money constantly.
Yeah.
And then for the painkillers you use Aleve. How often does it pain you? How often do you get the pain?
Well, it's like when we sit down here now and we get up and walk. The foot just comes and starts stretch out, so everything now within a kind of heal. It just start tear out back.
The healing
Yeah.
for the cut.
Yeah.
So, okay, so rest yourself on it. Is this the first time you put in the band, them bands yet?
No,
So every time
it break out like every 3 years straight, it never break out. But it's gonna break out the other day now.
okay, I see.
So for most time when they break out, no skin not there, and just if I'm right here, I'm right down here. No skin not there, pan, all skin gone. So I got one down balaclava, one dread. So now we blame up some bush on it. So man give me bush doctor. And then give me plaster it. So it's like them here. He said me if buy and just spread over it. But me if put on no long pants over it. And that's okay the skin of the foot come back.
With the bush.
Yeah.
And then it just break out again. Why do you think it break out again? You
It's
think
like
you
the,
overworked the foot?
No. It's the disease in the foot here. If inside the foot don't heal, but outside it will look like it heal,
Okay.
but inside don't heal.
So you need to see a real professional doctor to deal with it.
Yeah.
And is it you didn't go to this professional doctor because of the cost?
Yeah.
Okay, what you have a phone, right? What's your number?
576 50 83.
576 50 83.
Yeah.
7. That's 876, right? And that's 5
7
7
6
6 50 83.
83.
So if you have the money to go to a professional doctor, then would they take care of the pain and the thing inside and deal with it?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Well, we're gonna get the olive for you. So when we squeeze this, it hurt.
No.
So which part hurt?
Down here hurting.
Just down here.
Yeah.
And this is where the cut is.
Yeah.
What did they put on it?
Then put some like them clean it off with saline and so.
Mm-hmm.
And then get a little liquid thing and squeeze it and use the bandage. Cover it.
And when are you gonna see them next?
Monday, Tuesday, and Friday.
You're gonna visit them.
Yeah, 3 days a week.
All right, sir. All right. Well, you know we have to do it.
Yes.
Okay. So this not hurt, just right here.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. So when you're resting yourself, how do you rest yourself? You just sit up.
Just sit down.
What you drink for tea this morning?
Drink some. Normally just I drink some porridge.
Some porridge. You have sugar in it?
Yeah, just a little.
All right. All right. So come up on the sugar and drink a lot of water. And you have to come up on the sugar as much as you can because you deal with a wound. And drink a lot of water. All right. Or as much as you can, water, because the wound needs the water to heal. And some carrot juice, beetroot juice, anything you can blend natural, as much as you can bring natural juices.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Because I know the body in a healing mode, it need a lot of nutrients. I'll give you some vitamins, right?
Yeah.
7 of them, you take them a day. That will help your strength, you know? All right, sir?
Okay.
But you have mint.
Yeah.
Drink mint without water. Drink fever grass. Let's drink a lot of tea, less sugar, and I'll give you some vitamins. So you need strength to get it back. You see me? And you must massage this. You must do this to yourself for help. Because the circulation is important for the healing. You see me? Uncertainty would make the blood clean too. Every week. You know? So when they wash the rest of man there with the bush, how far him live?
Down by Balaclava.
So after this heal, yeah, you have to start up on you see the neem bush? We'll have it on us. Neem. Alright. So I'm gonna get you some neem bush. You have to clean up yourself and get ready for this real. You see, if the thing get in there,
Yeah.
you have to cleanse the body. If you kind of get it out and prepare it for this doctor. And you only have to cleanse the body with herbs and bush, you know? And hopefully, we can talk to Angela. Angela never meet him. Alright. So we're ready. We're going to let this out to the world. And we're going to get the olive for you today, alright?
Yes.
But sorry, I've been busy running around. Sometimes I look up and I see the grill. So I don't know if you're here. So I pass the house, because I see the grill up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right there, man.
Yo, okay. I pass the house. Enough time I walk in the morning. And I see the place grill up, so I'm listening to you there. Alright, now come through again. I will get the thing cleaned up.